Laying in the silence, waiting for the siren signs, and it signs I'm alive still. I don't wanna lose it, but I'm not getting through this. Hey, should I pray? Should I pray? Yeah. To myself, to a God, to a Savior who can unbreak the broken, unsay the spoken words, find hope in the hopeless. Pull me out the train wreck, unburn the ashes, unchain the reactions. Now not ready to die, no yet. Pull me out the train wreck, pull me out, pull me out. Pull me out, pull me out, pull me out.